Knowing products, design, brand, and mission. Understand your brand, your mission, and your place in the market truly. Although not exclusively, many of the world's best brands are built by product. A product is one of the most intimate connections a user can have with the brand. So, before you launch a product design project, it's important to truly understand the role, power, value of your brand. And of course, the overall experience needs to be designed to reinforce your customer positive view of your brand. In fact, emotional knowledge, emotional connection is the biggest driver of value and more important than promoting product feature. It's responsible for about 60% of business value. Build branded product for now and the future. From brand identity to getting your product packaging sorted out, Dark Design has a team of outsourced designer skilled at all key aspects of product branding. You will use customer feedback and competitive intelligence to create a memorable product personally that your target audience will connect with on an emotional level. For instance, the most important factor designer when designing for leather product design. In the designing for process itself, designer need to have a clear understanding of the technique, tools and machinery used in leather product design to ensure that their design are practical and efficient to produce. Designer also need most important, designer also need to consider the most manufacturer constraints, including time, cost, and labor. Furthermore, leather products are often made using traditional techniques such as hand stitching and cutting, which can be time consuming and require skilled labor. Material selection for leather product design. Selection number 1, color. The color of the material used can play a crucial role in the design of a leather product. Different colors can convey different moods and style. It is vital to choose a color that complements the design of the product. Number 2, selection. Cost. The cost of the material used in leather product design can significantly impact the product's final price. It is vital to choose materials that within the budget the specific products and within the budget the specific products cost. And finally, customer satisfaction. Pricing plays a crucial role in customer satisfaction. Customers are willing to pay a premium for high quality leather product that meet their needs and expectation. By pricing products effectively, leather businesses can improve customers' loyalty and build brand loyalty. So, comment on the bottom if you have any question and thoughts. Subscribe here, share this content with other entrepreneur you do business with. Take care everybody. Okay.